Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Gedi Maro, the show which is all about cars, all about burning rubber, all about everything and anything on 2 wheels, 1 wheel, 10 wheels, 16 wheels. So, Shivam अपन लोग के साथ में from the Cornea Impression as well. Welcome.
Thank you for having me, Sid. And let's take it forward.
Let's talk cars.
Absolutely.
Let's talk burning rubber.
Burning rubber. लीगल है यार, यूएई में नहीं कर सकते हम.
नहीं, ऑटोड्रोम में कर सकते हैं ना.
Autodrome में, at the
Dubai
racetrack.
Autodrome.
At the racetrack.
Yeah, exactly.
At any of the racetracks.
Done.
But okay, putting that aside,
हाँ.
बड़ी हलचल मची हुई है यार.
So
शहर
this
में.
weekend was a really packed one.
Very packed one, very busy one. We saw 2 global launches in the UAE.
Right.
One being the Range Rover Born of Sand Autobiography SV Special Edition.
Yeah.
And that reel went viral.
Bro, you were talking so much उसके अंदर, you're giving away those 5 top things about this particular car, क्या क्या हो रहा है उसके अंदर, 18 कैरेट का बैजिंग एंड उसके साथ में आपका the car changes color with the sand वाला look and all of those things. So let's have it one more time.
1 out of 7 cars only for the UAE. The color inspired by sand. The roof is inspired by pearls. Interiors completely customized for that car, and every seat looks different. 1.58 million dirhams for that car. So if you see one on the road, you know that person who has that car is a big baller. Absolutely spectacular car. We love it. We love our Range Rovers. You know that very well.
Of course. The other one was the Lamborghini. ये कौन सी गाड़ी है अब इसकी? मतलब नाम क्या है? पहले उससे शुरू
So
करते
it's
हैं.
called the Temerario. Lamborghini Temerario.
Spelling?
Temerario.
शाबाश. Okay.
भाई हमने आर्टिकल लिखा है यार उसके ऊपर.
हाँ, exactly. Which is why मैं spelling नहीं बोल रहा.
But the Temerario is a replacement of the Lamborghini Huracan, which was one of the most popular Lamborghini models of all time.
Correct.
And now is the new supercar / sports car. It's a baby car. Produces 907 horsepower. Twin turbo V8, plug-in hybrid. So you can have it on electric mode also.
Right.
And obviously it's plugged in with the hybrid powertrain with the V8. So it is
Right.
907 horsepower. Brand new car. Looks absolutely phenomenal, spectacular. Fully tech-loaded car.
Okay,
And
so for somebody who does not know कि जब launches होते हैं, तो what exactly happens? You don't get to drive the car.
depends.
Okay.
So the car has just finished their production testing.
Right.
Now the car will be showcased across the world, pretty much every market that Lamborghini is present in.
Right.
Customers will come, media will come, they will see the car, they'll walk around, and then people who are interested can place an order, customize the car,
3 हमारे लिए.
make it rain. And उसके बाद में क्या होएगा कि once they place the order or they show their interest, Lamborghini starts producing the cars.
Right.
And you start getting your car 6-7 months down the line, you'll start getting deliveries of the car.
Correct.
Media starts driving the car in April, May, so that we give a first impression and reviews on how the car drives in real life.
Correct.
This is Lamborghini's modus operandi. Some brand will say, hey, this is a brand new car, here's the key, drive
Ciao.
it. Ciao.
लेके जाओ.
मत करो.
Take it
मजाक
and go.
करके आओ. धूम मचा लो. चोरी मत करना.
Okay.
But
So,
yeah, that's what happens.
okay. So, Lamborghini done, Range Rover done. Now, if we're talking about the other big happening that happened in the world in terms of the car industry.
Very, very big happenings.
Yes.
एक तो हमारे लुइस भाई साहब
हाँ.
मर्सिडीज छोड़ के फरारी में घुस गए.
हाँ जी.
लाल कपड़े पहन लिए. इंस्टाग्राम पे मोस्ट F1 का सबसे हाईएस्ट वॉच्ड फोटो था उनका, विच ब्रोक द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ लैंडो नॉरिस. नहीं, किसका रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा?
लेक्लेरिक का.
लेक्लेरिक का. चार्ल्स
लेक्लेरिक.
गया मेरे
कोई
मुंह से
बात
गया.
नहीं.
चार्ल्स का जो हाईएस्ट
रेमरारियो लेक्लेरिक.
ऐसा ही है. आपकी वहां जाती है, मेरी यहाँ जाती है.
I can understand.
Anyways, चार्ल्स का जो हाईएस्ट वॉच्ड फोटो था, व्यूड फोटो था.
Correct.
He beat that.
Correct.
With his red clothing, Well, not his red clothing.
He was wearing that that coat and the overall, and there were 7 windows behind
yeah,
which were
that is-
open. He was standing in front of the
Correct.
F40 or
F40.
Yeah, and that was the most liked photo of
Correct.
all time, so
For
to speak.
Formula One related.
Correct.
But did you see the meme with Jeremy Clarkson? उसका भी एक फोटो था सेम कपड़े पहन के हुए पहले उसके पीछे रेंज रोवर खड़ी थी.
It had to come out somewhere or the other. That's the beauty of the internet.
But,
Nothing is spared.
Talking about F40s, now obviously the F40 was the fastest car at one point of time in the world.
Right.
It had Formula One technology in the 80s in Ferraris. One of the most haloed Ferraris,
Ever.
road-going Ferraris ever.
Ever.
And they just crashed 2 of them this week. At the same time, Lewis Hamilton joins Ferrari, poses with an Ferrari, F40 in the background, and all the 7 windows and doors open and close, and that whole thing that is happening कि हाँ 8th championship अभी Ferrari में Lewis लेके आएगा, and all of that storyline with the photo. The same timeline, 2 Ferraris crashed, F40s crashed. One was Lando Norris's car, his own car, which his friend was driving. He crashed it, and Lando was in Dubai by the time, UAE that time.
I was about to say, matlab, if he would have been driving, it would have been even bigger.
More
sensational.
There were hardly any गिन चुन के तो गाड़ी बची थी, but his can be repaired.
Right.
But the other one
Hmm.
was being driven by a technician who was on a test drive and crashed the car and totaled it. That car had no insurance.
शाबाश.
And it was also
किसी की तो ग्रेचुटी जा रही है.
भाई नौकरी ग्रेचुटी सब गई भाई.
हाँ, किसी की लाइफ इंश्योरेंस भी गई.
But that was also the highest miles on a Ferrari F40 ever.
बस.
तो सबसे ज्यादा चली हुई थी गाड़ी, मतलब वो आदमी ने बिंदास चलाता था Ferrari F40 में. कितने की है? $2-3 मिलियन की है कम से कम. At least $3-4 million from my last guesstimate.
Wow. I'm just thinking कि मतलब अब what will Ferrari give to that customer?
Nothing. वो कटोरी होती ना, वो लेके आएगा नई गाड़ी.
बट अगर
लेने के लिए.
टेक्नीशियन से अगर हुई है एक्सीडेंट तो फिर टेक्निकली इट इज Ferrari's technician, right?
But it depends now whether the insurance of Ferrari will be able to compensate the customer. If the customer goes and tells कि बॉस तुम्हारे आदमी ने ठोका है, तुम मुझे compensate करो. And if their insurance manages to agree to that, then Ferrari will pay cash equivalent, or then say, this is our brand new hypercar. This is going to be future collectible. This is the keys to it. You are the first person to own it.
एक और है हमारे पास में, थोड़ी सी ठुकी हुई है. अभी आई है.
लैंडो बाबा बेचता है तुम्हें.
ये आधे पैसे में इसको लेके रिपेयर करके आगे निकाल देंगे.
वैसे शायद वो भी हो सकता है. वो भी
You never know.
Or they may just buy one in the open market and give him that. Because as you know, these cars always trade hands. So there could be one available in auction or in the open market. And they can buy it and give it to this customer.
Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. तो ये तो था जो दुनिया के अंदर में हो रहा है. Now let's talk about what else is happening in terms of car industry.
Continuing talking about Ferraris,
हाँ जी.
this is for us, for Janta.
Okay.
Ferrari has now collaborated with Hot Wheels, and this is after an extended period of time.
Correct.
तो मतलब अभी हम जाके डिंकी कार खरीद सकते हैं. यार डिंकी कार.
एक फरारी तो आएगी अब घर पे, चाहे जो मर्जी हो जाए.
नहीं, मैं तो गराज बनाऊंगा पूरा फेरारी का भी.
You remember we were talking that F40 which crashed?
वो उसको नहीं ऐसे देते पूरा भाई डब्बा लेके भाई ये ले लाइफ टाइम सप्लाई.
Exactly.
ठोक ना ठोक.
That's interesting. Okay, so talking about now, since Hot Wheels and Ferrari, there is another collaboration which is happening, right?
Correct.
Which is Honda and Sony ka.
Correct.
The Honda cars and the Sony, the music guys, the PlayStation guys, the TV guys, the electronics giants.
Yeah. तो last week इसमें अभी CES था, which is the world's largest
Right.
consumer electronic show. मतलब जो आप as a customer जाके टेक्नोलॉजी आप खरीद सकते हो, यूज कर सकते हो,
Right.
देख सकते हो.
Right.
वहाँ पर सोनी ने and Honda cars collaborated, both Japanese giants.
Right.
And now they're making a car together. An EV priced at $89,000, तो तकरीबन 4 लाख दिरहम की होगी जब तक UAE पहुंचेगी.
हाँ.
Give or take. Interesting collab because all the technology in that car will be provided by Sony.
Yes.
Obviously screens, software, infotainment, PS खेल सकते हैं गाड़ी में हम, and the car stuff which is the steering
Correct.
wheel, the battery, powertrain, and all of that will be provided by Honda.
Correct.
So it should be an interesting collaboration, should be an interesting product when it comes to market, because tech and car manufacturer together with a joint product for the first time
Right.
should be a revolution.
It should be. It should be. I was actually on their website अभी थोड़ा time पहले, and उसमें they are still taking in orders, but it's saying or pre-orders are only for the state of California.
वही तो है यार.
And I was thinking, sir, मतलब थोड़ा आग लगी हुई है वहाँ पे. You might want to move out of there. आपके कस्टमर जो है ना अभी किसी और चीज के अंदर थोड़े बिजी है.
आग एलए में लगी थी भाई, बट बाकी तो पूरा स्टेट है ना, ऊपर नीचे आजू बाजू उसके. आग एलए में लगी थी.
हाँ.
साइड स्टेट ऑफ अफेयर्स, बट उसमें काफी गाड़ियां जल गई थी यार, अच्छी गाड़ियां जल गई थी.
It is. It is. I'm not saying कि अच्छी बात है, but I'm just saying you might want to rethink of that.
But California has always been pro this. They've always been the state which is supporting new technology, new type of powertrains, sustainable powertrains.
Correct.
And the customers are the first customers, early adopters in the market over there. मतलब कोई भी नया टेक्नोलॉजी का सबसे पहले वो लोग जाके खरीदते हैं.
Correct.
And hence Palo Alto and Apple and Google and all the tech people are in San Francisco and that area.
Right.
So the state is just pro tech. तो it makes sense कि भाई तुम खरीदने वाले हो, हम तुमको ही पहले एक बेचेंगे, तुम अपना यूज करो, पसंद आएगा हम बाकी लोग को बेचेंगे, फिर तुम हाँ बोलोगे बाकी लोग को बेचेंगे.
तुम बेसिकली टेस्ट करो, जो
Guinea pigs.
खामियां आएंगी बताना और उसके हिसाब से हम लोग अपडेट करेंगे एंड देन वील सेंड इट टू द अदर गाइस एज वेल.
Pretty much that. Pretty much.
Okay.
Exactly.
What else is happening in terms of news?
Well, did you see the Jetour T2 का नया कार? You know the T2, right? Jetour T2.
Yeah. Even if you don't know, you've seen it
Yeah.
on the roads. Every second car is a Jet or T2.
Everywhere. So there is a new version of that. Well, basically Jetour has made a new brand. I don't know the name exactly. और वो horse power उसका 1500 horse power है गाड़ी का.
Is it still an SUV?
It looks like the T2.
Is it the T1?
No, the T1 is a normal car. It's a cheaper version of the T2. This is a new luxury or some brand which is launched by Jetour.
The T2 was a Defender ka rip-off, and now the T1 or the new one will be a G-Class ka rip-off.
Yeah, I think it will be a more
Range Rover-ish.
I think no, it will be T2 on steroids. That's what I think. That's what I think. So 1500 horsepower.
1500.
1500.
This is from petrol or hybrid?
I think it will be hybrid. It cannot do petrol only.
You cannot do.
You cannot. Has to be hybrid in some format.
Yeah.
Has to be. It cannot be only petrol. If it is only petrol, then the world has broken. खत्म हो गई भाई, सब दुकान बंद के घर जाओ.
फिर drag racing के अंदर Jetour निकल रहा है.
That will be epic to see.
That
I'm
would.
sure 100% कोई करेगा ही करेगा.
But talking about the Chinese cars, so there is this, I don't know whether you saw this video of, is it BYD Yangwang U9?
Yangwang.
Yangwang.
The car
that jumps. Ah, exactly.
That was
Epic.
epic.
It's jumping over potholes. It is going over वो कील व्हील सब रखे हुए हैं and it is autonomous drive के अंदर.
बस एक तो वो गाड़ी को पहले तो सबसे पहले वो गाड़ी लो और दुनिया में जितने भी प्रेसिडेंट, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, जितने भी वीआईपी उनको गाड़ी में डाल दो, क्योंकि वो खुद चलाएगी. कोई आक्रमण करेगा, अटैक करेगा, वो खुद ही जंप करेगी, डाइव करेगी, भाग जाएगी वहां से.
Seriously.
एंड हमें वो गाड़ी इंडिया में डिप्लॉय करनी ही चाहिए. खड्डे खुड्डे जिधर भी है सब बस जंप मारते रहेगी गाड़ी सब जगह.
हाँ वो खरगोश.
but the amount of technology that is used in that or is showcased in that is 100% phenomenal. How it translates into real life, मतलब हमारे पास आम आदमी के पास कैसे आती है, कब आती है रियल सिचुएशन में, क्योंकि that will be pre-programmed. I'm 100% sure
Right.
that setting is pre-programmed. So that means the software has been already told के 100 meters पे ही आने वाला है या 200 meters पे आने वाला है. Now this is usually how it is done. That is already programmed into the system that it has to be done at this point of time. So
Right.
like a computer code.
Correct.
Pretty much like a computer code for anything else जो आप यूज करते हो. तो उसको पता है कि यहाँ पर मुझे ये करना है, यहाँ पर मुझे ये करना है, उसकी डायरेक्शन ऑलरेडी है उसके अंदर.
Is it something like जैसे I remember back in the day when Tesla had just launched, the thing was that because they were mapping out the entire city or the suburbs and everything, अकॉर्डिंग टू कहाँ पे गड्ढा है कहाँ पे नहीं है, द एयर सस्पेंशंस के हिसाब से दे वर डायरेक्टली इन टच, in connection with their GPS system,
With the
satellites and
satellites,
all, right?
yes, yeah.
So that accordingly
Correct.
the levels, it goes up or it goes down, and your it's all balanced out.
It modulates.
It modulates basically.
Yeah,
So
correct.
so is that what is happening? Because I'm guessing potholes इतनी जल्दी तो ठीक होंगे नहीं अगर मुंबई के अंदर चला रहे हैं तो
तो pretty much वही thought process से कि हाँ यहाँ पर ये करना है और उसको बताया गया है, तो वो कंप्यूटर
And-
उसका ऑटोमेटिकली
yeah, it's being updated
अपडेटेड,
back to back.
करेक्ट, तो वो जाके गाड़ी एक्शन परफॉर्म करती है, पर रियल टाइम में कैसे होने वाला है वो देखना बाकी है.
The interesting thing that I like is that the Chinese guys, they're not holding back. मतलब on anything in terms of giving stuff and enjoying the car के इसके अंदर हम they'll put the jumping suspension, they'll put in that you can ride it on 3 wheels also, you can do a 360 on it also, खड़े खड़े के अंदर you can take it inside the water also, you name it, and they are just playing around कि ये कर सकते हैं. This goes against all kinds of things that we have been programmed for. Let's try.
So I think the thought process is that they want to enter the market and they want to enter the market in a big way. News around the world is negative क्योंकि अमेरिका ने हम अलाउ नहीं करेंगे, यूरोप बोलेगा हम अलाउ नहीं करेंगे,
Right.
हमारी इंडस्ट्री को थ्रेट है, ऑल ऑफ दैट स्टफ. उनके यहाँ पर भी काफी ओवर सप्लाई है, काफी गाड़ी बनाते हैं. दे मेक द हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ कार्स पर ईयर
Correct.
एंड दे आर प्रोड्यूसिंग नॉन स्टॉप.
Correct.
They need to sell those cars somewhere. उनके देश में उतना ही बिकता है. So they are coming to markets which are open, Russia, Australia, Middle East or GCC, and they are
Right.
bringing all those cars over here. At the same time, they are able to innovate and showcase कि हम ये दे सकते हैं ये कीमत में. This has always been their core centric
Selling point, right?
कि हम इतने पैसे में इतना दे सकते हैं तुम्हें जो दूसरे लोग नहीं देते.
Correct.
प्राइस एडवांटेज टुवर्ड्स देयर साइड, वो यूटिलाइज करते कि हम आपको थोड़ा सस्ते में ज़्यादा दे सकते हैं.
Correct.
And then that happens automatically, people buy it, and that's what they are doing. They're providing you with the best of stuff they can invent.
Correct.
And give it to you at a fair price point.
Fair price point.
They are.
So, Ji, that's it for today. But an interesting combination of Lewis Hamilton and California and the crashes and Yang Wang and Lando Norris ki car crash and Range Rover, which is 1.58 million. Lots of things happened on the show today.
Absolutely. Exciting stuff coming up.
Yep.
More and more things happening. Keep watching गेड़ी मारो, क्योंकि हम तो कहीं जाने नहीं वाले, हम जा रहे गेड़ी चलाने के लिए. अगले हफ्ते आपको अगली गड्डी में मिलेंगे.
Till next time, take care.